Bring that love and energy inside. Inhaling, gather all you want. Gather all the chi you want. Exhaling, bring it down inside the lower dantian. Right below the navel, deep inside is your dantian. Try another collection. Gathering all the chi you want. It's your birthright to gather all the chi you want and place it inside. This is a great exercise for building chi. You have more time on your own, you can do more of these. You can do them anytime you want. I like to do them, especially in the morning when I'm waking up and at night before bedtime. You may even see me at the store waiting in line. It's a great way to just center yourself, emotionally balance yourself, physically, mentally, be balanced and relaxed. In any situation, you have control of that. So it's a really great tool. I highly recommend. So, speaking of great tools, here's some Qigong exercises. Now listen, gang, we do these because whether it's a pandemic or family drama or whatever, these are tools that we want to help ourselves be stronger with, okay? So you can protect yourself from things. And, you know, stuff happens. It's like you can also recover from things more quickly if you have this inner strength. So let's work on a Qigong exercise. It's called opening and closing. I want you to take a deep breath. For the opening, you open up your fingers, palms go out, you open up the chest. And then for the closing, you're going to exhale, close the fists, make easy, gentle fists that come down. We call these eagle claws. So we're going to try a few more. Opening, breathing in, and closing, exhaling out. Try another one. Inhaling, feeling yourself expanding, getting huge. Imagine getting gigantic with the inhalation. And then imagine getting teeny tiny with the exhalation. You can even bend your knees if it's comfortable and get shorter. I like a wider stance. That's up to you, whatever's comfortable. Try a couple more inhalations for the opening. How far can you expand? Out past your hands, perhaps? Exhaling, always imagining the chi coming back home, back inside the lower dantian. Repetition is the key for releasing serotonins. You know, serotonins and dopamine, those are the happy hormones. This is a toolbox for our own personal elixir. Here we go, creating serotonins by repeating these exercises. Inhaling, growing taller and bigger. Exhaling, think about getting smaller and tiny. Inhaling, I like to imagine going way past my hands. I expand way out past the building and the blue sky. And then exhaling, you can bring all that healing chi from nature inside the building, inside my skin, inside my lower. Here we go, circulating chi out. When we inhale, the chi goes out. Maybe past the trees and the blue skies. And then inhaling, exhaling. Here we go. As we exhale, we feel ourselves get smaller. We're contracting, relaxing the chest. And then we inhale. Increase your lung capacity. Feel the chest opening up and expanding. Getting bigger, and then exhaling a little slower than you inhale. It's very natural to exhale slower than you inhale. So try a couple more. You move in time with your breath. Just think about getting bigger. when you inhale, I'm thinking about my chi getting so big, it's going way out into the galaxy, to planets beyond, and then exhaling, leading that chi very gently. Easy does it. When you exhale, you're bringing chi back inside. We're going to circulate it out to the opening. Open up your palms and fingers. Increasing the lung capacity. Exhaling, relaxing the chest, making your eagle claws very gently. The fists come down. Inhaling, chi can go way out past our galaxy, into the universe and beyond. Exhaling, chi can come back in. Easy does it. Leading chi back home into the lower chin. Right below the navel, deep inside is your own personal elixir field. Here we go, creating good feelings. Feeling the ecstasy as we lead chi from the universe back inside, and then expand outward from the lower dantian. Open the palms and the fingers outward. Exhaling, make your eagle claws. Luxuriate in the ecstasy of chi coming back home, coming back in as you get shorter and smaller. Inhaling, getting huge, ginormous, leading chi way out to other galaxies and beyond. And exhaling. Now the masters do 81 of these. We're just going to do one more, okay? Here we go. Inhaling, expanding, moving time with your breath. Feel yourself get bigger when you inhale. And then feel yourself get smaller as you exhale. Slowly and smoothly. How'd that feel? Good, I hope. Shake it out. Shake the tree a little bit. Shake your booty. You ever notice how dogs get out of the water? It's a pond or your swimming pool or at the beach, and they just shake it off. Whatever it is, you can just let it go. Imagine letting go, releasing. I don't know if you can hear that thunder, but in Florida, in the summertime, we used to be able to set our clocks to it around 3 every afternoon, where you get the thunder and the rain. So let's do cleansing the organs. Cleansing the organs is a wonderful Qigong exercise for releasing and letting go of any old spent Qi. You did a great job of building Qi with your collections, circulating the Qi with opening and closing exercises. Now let's try cleansing the organs. Here we go. Inhaling, hands come up. You can add in a little stretch here and hold your breath if you want to. That's optional. The main thing is as you exhale, you gently lead chi down through the crown of the head, down through your brain, neck, and organs. Leading chi out the bottoms of your feet, down into Mother Earth. And we're going to repeat these. This repetition helps us to kind of get that runner's high. Inhaling, use that optional stretch if you want to hold your breath for a moment. The main thing is as you exhale, imagine leading chi gently down through the brain, neck. Maybe you want to imagine an organ or two. Imagine the chi going down at the bottoms of your feet. I feel it going way past the floor and the sand, deep down into earth. Inhaling. We gather divine healing chi from the heavens above. And exhaling, we let that wash through us, just like the raindrops wash all the soot off of the tree leaves and the bushes. And then it soaks down into the soil. Deep down into Mother Earth, maybe down into the aquifers. You need to move in time with your breath. When you're ready, you inhale. And then exhale a little slower and smoother, gently leading chi down through your brain, neck, and organs. This should be a very gentle, easy release. It's a letting go. It's called cleansing the organs. We'll just do maybe 10 more, okay? Inhaling. And exhaling. Now I'm going to imagine an organ or two that really needs some extra love and care, cleansing, releasing, letting go very gently. Let Mother Earth soak it up. It's all good. She'll take it. And then you have room. You've got room for new, clean, healing chi. Gather all you want from the heavens above. And let all that clean, healing chi come down through the head, neck, and organs. I'm going to think about my heart. And release. Very gently let go of any old stuff. It can be an emotion or a thought. Let it go, even if it's just for one breath at a time. We gather clean, healing chi from the heavens, and then exhaling, we let it travel down, cleansing the organs. I'm going to release any grief, anger. Let it go. Easy does it. Release. Cleansing the organs. Inhaling. Even if just one breath at a time, you can release and let go of any repetitive thoughts or emotions. You'll find it's very beneficial to let it go. Okay. Even if just for one breath at a time, release. Gentle. As you exhale. Then inhaling, you start fresh and new. Gather heavenly chi. Exhaling, let it travel down through the crown of your head, your brain, neck, and organs. Releasing, just letting go. Just try one or two more. Imagining the chi coming down like raindrops, washing the organs, and exponentially increase the healing power of these exercises by using your brain. Imagine with your brain, gathering divine healing chi from the heavens above, and then letting that wash through you. Exhaling, imagine that healing chi cleansing organs, and then soaking down. Exhaling. When you're ready, we'll conclude this practice with a few collections. This is where we inhale, the hands come up, and then we exhale. We're building chi now with these collections. We're placing chi down inside. Let's just try two more collections. Inhaling. Again, using your imagination. You're gathering chi from nature, from your surroundings. Exhaling, placing it inside. Inhale. Even if you're indoors, chi comes right through the walls, window, and you can place it inside. Consciously, lovingly building chi. You guys did a great job of building chi, cleansing chi, circulating chi. It's all good. We want to keep chi flowing. To keep ourselves physically, emotionally, and mentally